People of the U.S. state of Kansas voted to protect their abortion rights. A statewide ballot was held to remove protection to abortion from the Kansas state constitution. Voters rejected the proposed changes, and all this comes as a boost to abortion rights activists in the otherwise conservative state. Kansas voted for Donald Trump in both the 2016 and the 2020 election. It is considered to be a red state. In 2019, the state constitution enshrined the right to abortion. A vote was held yesterday to try and remove that right. The abortion vote occurred alongside party primaries in Kansas. Observers believe that putting the abortion vote with primaries was a gambit by the conservatives. Primary elections are just for registered members of political parties. Republicans tend to show up in higher numbers for primaries rather than Democrats.
It took a special bit of work to actually put it on this August ballot. And so technically that is a special election occurring with a primary election, because primary elections can only be for registered partisans, but anybody can vote on a special election about, say, this kind of amendment.
The attempt to remove the right to abortion in Kansas was thwarted. The poll saw a higher than average turnout, and close to two-thirds of the voters chose to keep the right to abortion in the Kansas Constitution. The outcome in Kansas means that abortion will remain permitted up to 22 weeks of pregnancy. While voting yesterday, Kansas residents shared their perspectives. Listen in.
I think that there were a lot of voters in Kansas and across the country that really did think that their constitutional rights were protected at the federal level. They thought Roe was settled law. That's what we were told. And that turned out in June not to be the case anymore. And so it was a wake-up call.
That in 2022, I'm having to vote for my own personal rights. So, yeah, that's about as nice as I can say it.
Kansas voters have kept the right to abortion on their state constitution. This is despite other red states bringing in total bans on abortion since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.